Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing what the app needs: verification, permissions, and payment. Enter your email or phone and immediately input the SMS code. This prevents timeout. Once done, grant location and Bluetooth if the feature asks, because the app uses them for accurate results. Make sure your payment method or ID is uploaded now so you avoid interruptions later. This initial sweep gets you straight into the workflow without detours. You'll now configure profiles and the main workflow. Add your name, role, and adjust notification timing so alerts match your schedule. This helps reduce noise. Link any external accounts and confirm sync status. If a token fails, refresh it immediately. Next, build the sequence of actions you use most often and save it as the default template so you don't repeat setup. Once saved, run a short test task to verify every connection and permission works as intended. You'll finish by executing a full run and reviewing the outcome. Start the task and watch progress indicators. Logs show where delays or failures occur, so check them carefully. Once complete, export or share results using the app's built-in tools. If something goes wrong, stop and verify permissions first, then reconnect any linked services and restart the app. That solves most issues. If errors persist, note the exact message and contact support with that detail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.